أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب زدني علما رب زدني علما رب زدني علما اللهم إني أسألك علما نافعا وعملا متقبلا ورزقا طيبا اللهم اعفني في بدني اللهم اعفني في سمعي اللهم اعفني في بصري لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn how to show and hide your sprite by pressing a specific key. For example, I'm using on this on-screen keyboard. I'm going to use S for to appear show my sprite, and then it will appear on the sprite when I will click on S, and then I will click whenever I will click on H, and it will do what? It will hide my sprite from the stage. So let's do it quickly. First of all, I'm going to put some sprite over here. I will do what? I will go back and I will go select people. So which one? Mm, okay, fantasy. Okay, I'm going to use dragon one, and then I'm going to put dragon 2 as well. Okay, dragon 1 and dragon 2. Okay, like that. Can you see here? I'm switching between these two images and it will start firing. Yeah. Okay, now let's take a start. Whenever I press this S button, it will appear on the screen, and whenever I press this H button, it will disappear from the screen. Right now it's not working, so we need to write a code here. So let's do it. So let me click on the script here, and let's put some background here. So click here, stage background, import. I'm going to pick which one. Let's select nature. In nature I want to select these words. Okay, now let me shrink this like that, and let me place it over here in the air. Okay, now uh, let's do it. Okay, now I'm going to write a script. I need to select for sprite 1, then I will click on script, and then I will click on control, and then I will drag and drop this control over here. When space key press, no, I need to change this. Whenever I press H button, it will hide this sprite from the stage, disappear and appear. Okay, using H button, whenever I press this H button, it will disappear from the screen. So let's do this. So click on looks, and then I need to click on hide. Okay, now go turn on this one, bring this on your screen, on screen keyboard, and then I'm going to press H button, and it will hide the sprite from my screen like that. Okay, now what if I want to bring it back? So I will click here S, so it will appear again on my screen, but it's not appearing right now. So I quickly duplicate this code here, these two lines of code, by using this duplicate stamp. Click here, put it over here. Now I will use what? I will select S letter, so drag and drop it over here, and in looks I have this show button over here. Let me put this script over here, and now whenever I press S button, it will appear, disappear, appear, disappear. Okay, appear again. Now I will write quickly a shortcode here, so that it will look real. Okay, so I will click on costume. Okay, now script. Whenever I click on this green flag, it will do what? It will switch between different costume forever. So I will click here looks, and I'm going to put this next costume, and I will put a weight block as well, so that it will look realistic. So 0.25. Now let me make this real. So when I will click on the green flag, it will start, it's look real. Okay, now when I click hide, it will disappear, and when I click show, it will appear on the screen. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz. Take care.